Hi, and welcome to my channel. My name is Erin. I'm a clinical aromatherapist here at Erin's Herbs. On this channel, I do weekly uploaded videos teaching you how to create your very own skincare products from the comfort of your own home. So whether or not you have never made skincare products or you have some experience, I hope that you will find this channel very informative. So let's get started creating.
Do you want longer, stronger, and shinier hair naturally? If so, then today's video is for you. I'm going to be showing you how to make this easy DIY Ayurvedic hair growth oil. It only takes a few ingredients, so let me get started by walking you through the step-by-step process on how I create this. To start out with, in my mason jar, I'm going to go ahead and weigh out some fractionated coconut oil. This particular ingredient is rich in what's known as medium chain fatty acids, and that is going to penetrate the hair shaft a lot easier than other oils, say sunflower oil, for example. This oil is going to strengthen the hair strands and prevent any split ends from occurring. It's going to moisturize the hair and scalp, and it's great for really protecting the hair from any styling that you might do or sun damage, as well as reducing any frizz. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add some castor oil. This is rich in ricinoleic acid as well as omega-6 and omega-9 fatty acids. It's going to be great for moisturizing and conditioning both the scalp and hair. Now, this is a thicker oil, but it's really good for supporting the overall hair health as well as the scalp health. It's going to give the hair a nice shine to it, as well as helping to prevent any split ends and any breakage, from occurring. So now that I have my carrier oils, I'm going to go ahead and add some dried herbs. And what I'm showing you here is me adding some hibiscus. Hibiscus is very dark red in color, and it's very good for the hair for a lot of different reasons. So I'm just going to highlight a few here. What it has in it is called amino acids, and that's going to encourage and stimulate keratin production. It's also going to strengthen the hair and promote growth. It's also going to increase blood circulation on the scalp. It's going to condition the hair and prevent dandruff from occurring, as well as just making the hair look healthier and the scalp healthier as well. In this beaker, I have already weighed out some dried rosemary, so I'm just going to go ahead and add it to the rest of my ingredients. This is going to help to give the hair follicles more of what it needs, which is oxygen and important nutrients to encourage hair growth. After adding the dried herbs, I'm going to go ahead and stir this really well and then place the lid on this mason jar. What I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to go ahead and place this in my double boiler on the stove and infuse all of the ingredients together for about 3 hours. Now, this is not my preferred method. I typically will, when I'm creating infused oils, I will lay this out in the sun for about 6 to 8 weeks. But for the purpose of this video, this is how I'm going to do it today. You want to make sure not to boil the ingredients because that will destroy the nutrients that you need for the hair growth. 3 hours later, here is what my infusion looks like. I did allow this to sit for a bit just to cool down. So I'm going to go ahead and take this cheesecloth and I'm going to be placing this over the opening of my jar. Once I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and take this rubber band here and place it over the cheesecloth. And this is how I'm going to strain my infusion. Now, I am going to strain this into a larger container. This is just going to make it easier for me later to be able to pour into my bottles that I'll be using. So this is a method that I recently learned how to strain infusions, and I absolutely love it. It's easy to do, and it doesn't make a lot of mess. And it's great because you won't have to strain multiple times and I really like that. Here is the hair oil after I've done the straining, and I've left with this really beautiful oil color, and it didn't really resonate on this video, but it ended up being like a lightish pink in color. So I'm going to go ahead and add some rosemary essential oil. This is not only going to give the hair oil a nice scent, but it's also going to be great for increasing blood circulation on the scalp, thus promoting hair growth. So once I'm done adding that essential oil, I'm going to go ahead and stir this again one more time just to ensure that all those ingredients are nicely incorporated. What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to go ahead and with this pipette, I'm just going to go ahead and fill this one bottle for now. This makes approximately 7 ounces of hair oil. So it does make a lot, but it's always a wonderful thing to have on hand, and you can gift it. You could also sell it if that's something that you want to do. But for this video, I'm just going to go ahead and fill this one bottle, and I am using a dropper bottle today. I find that for me personally, this is what works best. So I'm going to go ahead and just continue to fill this bottle with the hair oil. And once I have done, or am done rather, just filling everything up, I'll go ahead and show you how I would recommend using it. This is how I like to use this hair oil. So what I do is I just go ahead and detangle my hair, and then I will section off my hair into different sections or different parts. And then I apply just a couple drops of the oil to each section of hair or each part of hair, and then gently massage it in. I will leave it on overnight, but you could do it 30 minutes if you wish. And I just simply place a shower cap on over my head. And then once I remove the shower cap, I just simply wash my hair and condition it as normal. And this you can use up to 2 times a week. At this point of the video, I'm going to go ahead and go over with you some substitutions that I would recommend. Now, for the fractionated coconut oil, because I know a lot of people either don't like it or have an allergy to it, you could use either almond oil or jojoba oil. Either one of those work really well. For the castor oil, I would say use argan oil. That's going to be great for hair. With the rosemary essential oil, something that you could use in place of it is thyme essential oil. And then as far as the dried herbs go, some other ones that I have used are dried fenugreek seeds and amla. So that's what I have for you. And again, this will make approximately 7 ounces of hair oil. So thanks for watching. And if you'd like to see more DIY formulas, don't forget to like and subscribe.